up, everyone? Want to make a video tonight. So some of you may know I'm doing that apartment remodel, and gonna be laying vinyl flooring and have a ton of door jambs I gotta cut out to lay that nicely. And I do have the M12 oscillating tool by Milwaukee, and it's not bad, but I don't like it very much either. I also have the Ryobi one, which isn't bad. It works, but you know, for this type of job where you're going to be changing out some blades and stuff, the fact that you have to use an Allen key, you know, it's a little bit inconvenient. So, I have an unboxing to do, and this, I think, will help me out a lot on that job. Now, let me see, where did I put that? Look at that beaut. The only snap-on I own. I think it is legit. I don't know if it will focus, but not bad. Little knife. Alright. Well, if we're going to do an unboxing, let me go grab a beer real quick. Cheers to anyone who's watching. Made a lot of good friends on this, doing this YouTube thing, floating around all the channels, and so I like to crack one and share shit with you guys. So, minus my jump into Milwaukee, which was pricey for me, this is even a little bit more of a bigger jump for me, but I'm hoping it works out for me on these types of jobs. Like I said, I use the Milwaukee for the maintenance part of work, and remodels and stuff. I use my Ryobis. On this remodel, I have my Milwaukees up there because I'm working with my Ryobis at home, doing a few projects around the house. I present to you is it Fein or Fein? I don't know. But it's their cordless oscillating tool. And I gotta tell you, I'm fucking jacked. This is probably easily the single most expensive tool I've bought. And it does look pretty skookum. So let's see here. 3-year warranty. Made in Germany. SA quality control. We have here, I'll let you guys take a look at that side. Pretty fucking nice case, you know? Let's open this bitch up. Well, one thing I will say right off the bat, no fucking security clips holding this together, so we can just open her right up. Try and bring you guys in a little bit here. So you can kind of see what I see. Pretty decent. While I have you guys here, I'd also like to say that I do have a logo coming out for my channel. I'm excited about that. I just have to do it myself. Get it all figured out there. So look at this. We have a ginormous, I mean, this thing is for the battery charger. Ginormous. Every single language in there. Besides English. Which is fine. Alright. 3-year warranty. Guess oh, there's some English in here. Never mind. Alright, I mean, you know. Kind of cool though. This is the nicest fucking thing I've ever seen tool-wise for me. Comes with blades. Now I got this whole kit. So we got a scraper blade, metal, wood and nails, metal, and then the pad for sanding. It's by far the nicest tool I've ever seen straight out of the package. What do we have over here? Oh, so we could take out all these. All this stuff here. Throw it in our little bin. It has the Starlock blades. Now, I watch Concord Carpenter. That's a great channel. That guy is a wealth of knowledge. His Instagram is fun too. I just started following him there because I just signed up. But they did like a very, very detailed test on oscillating tools, and the corded one did really good. They said it was like, you know, 0 vibration, ridiculous for an oscillating tool. This one didn't fare as well, but I like cordless tools. Just the way I roll. Man, this is just... So, it's almost dead, but it does have a nice charger there. Man, look at that. So you flip it up, and then I guess it opens up. onto the bit when you put it back down. So just for poops and giggles here, we'll pull this up. I'm gonna do so that goes in. Did I do something wrong there? Wait, hold on. Ah, okay. That's alright, so we got the scraper blade on there. We have 1, 2, 6 settings. I gotta tell you, it does feel nice. It feels great in the hand, but I'll let you know how it actually does. There's some more. If you could read that, let me see where my camera is. Lens. I don't know. It had like it's beefy. It's like the perfect fit. For my hand at least. That also could just be you know, the excitement of a new tool. But compared to, which, you know, like the Ryobi one's not bad. But this does feel so much more well made. Now, I mean, like I said, I usually don't buy these types of tools. I get by with what I have, but I do this work often, very often. So I thought, why not upgrade on the one tool here? So here's the charger. Back of it. And there's just some tools you buy and, you know, it excites you. And this one is one of them. So we got the charger plugged in. Got a box of bits. Let's stick the battery on the charger. So this says 10.8 to 18 volts. These are 2.5 amp hour, 18 volts. And it comes with 2 of them. So it's telling me it's charging. Comes with 2 batteries, like I said. So we got the one on the charger and the one here. That's what the prongs look like. I saw AVE take apart a corded one, and when I saw that and his thoughts on it, for me, I thought that would be a tool I would maybe upgrade to. Excuse me, boys and girls. to a cordless version of it, and I did, and we'll see how it works. I'll let you guys know. I'll let you know if it was worth it. I definitely like it. I like how it's all looking right now, but I won't know for sure until I put some use into it. But fucking skook 'em. Anyways, as always, thank you for joining me. There might be a giveaway. No, I take that back. So, I'm approaching 100 subscribers, which is exciting for me. And I'm thinking of a giveaway. I don't know what it's going to be. But whatever it is, there's going to be a way to win it. And I may make a video on that Monday or something. Not tonight. But I wanted to share this because, so I'm, apartment maintenance in the trades, and I spend my money on tools that I think are worth it, and I wanted to share this one because there's a lot of options out there. The rigid one is nice. The Ryobi one's not bad. I hear the cordless DeWalt one is good, but I don't like the M12 one particularly for this type of work. I like it for other stuff for sure, but if I'm gonna buy into a whole nother tool from a different battery company, then I'm not gonna buy DeWalt when I can buy this. This seems like it should be better than the DeWalt or the M18 Milwaukee. I know that they all have quick changes, but I wanted to buy this one. I treated myself. I'll say this was a little orgasmic for me. It's just so shiny. Anyways, I appreciate every single one of you. I really do. And I wanted to share that, some of you think I only have shitty tools because I buy Ryobi. Sometimes I buy decent tools. This is probably the nicest one I bought, though, thus far. I also have a Metabo corded angle grinder, which I think is a fucking beast. I do. So, that being said, this was $230 on eBay. And I'll see if it was worth it. I'll let you guys know for sure. If this is a tool that you guys were interested in and didn't know whether to spend the money, I'll let you know if it was actually worth that $230 or not. Alright, thanks for joining me. Catch you guys on the next one.